Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to reset your Roku TV without remote control. Now here, as you can see, you should look for the side of your TV, and here you can see this small button right here. And now you should grab a pen or something that can enter actually into this groove. Then what you should do right now is to press and hold on this button in this groove right here, in this hole. Once you press, you should hold for a while till you find here that your TV turned off, then turned back on, and this will be done twice, not the press and hold, but the reset just only for one press. This will reset your TV for 2 times in a row. So 2 consecutive times with only one press. And after that, it will show you here this interface with choosing the language that you actually want to use on your TV. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.